Yo, so Redbox crew. I mean, I don't want to say I told you so, but I haven't really led anyone astray so far, in my own honest opinion. I put out a video yesterday, and I've been in the chat recently, more so than the last couple weeks. Basically saying 666 is probably like a support for us. It was a psychological level all along. SI's gone up. Cost to borrow is sky high. I had a couple jabronis comment on the video and say, oh, fucking plays dead. You're a noob or whatever. I mean, I've basically been right about this stock 99 times out of 100 in terms of like going up on the price action, but also being honest with it going down, right? If you would have cut and ran when we had that option shit happen, we were about 11 bucks. You could have got in at 666, $7. You would have saved yourself $4 to $5 a share, and now we're up 24%. And I think around 11 is a level where it would be good to just cut them off from selling warrants. Fuck you guys, trying to fuck us. So I think if it even approaches 11, which is a possibility, I think take your profits at 11. Well, it's gonna moon. It was gonna moon when the float was 195, and there was no warrants. Warrants were locked up, and there wasn't the potential to have another 5 million dumped on us, right? 5 million on a float of 5. The float size would double. That would destroy this stock right now. And it is still time sensitive. I say it every single time I talk about it. I would be getting out no later than the first week of August. I mean, I only had loaded up 200 shares on the dips. Unfortunately, I should have loaded up a fuckload more. I just wanted to see that the 666 held, and it went to 644. So, I mean, I guess that was my own insecurity there. I should have taken my own advice. But I mean, I did pretty much predict where support would be. I was 22 cents off. And hopefully everybody who has been holding or got in yesterday, I noticed one guy said he added 1,000 shares. So, I mean, fucking awesome for you, buddy. You're up 1,600 bucks right now, because it is pushing 840, 842, almost 24%. Volume is pretty good. It's 11.8 million, and I mean the market's only been out an hour and a half, open an hour and a half. So even that volume is looking decent. If that volume continues, yeah, this goes 11 and beyond potentially. Like, again, they're probably going to start selling those warrants. Seaport at 11.50, max probably about 12.50. So maybe scalp some profit once we start approaching that. I mean, not financial advice, just what I would do. And I think we head into the double digits. It's looking really, really strong. It's not even anywhere close to the 18 MA, which would be 754. It's nowhere near that right now. It's almost like it's gapping up. It's almost got that same pattern as one of the days when we were coming up, where the bottom bar, like wherever the candle ends, that's like support for the next bar, and we're seeing it at 806. That's where the whole candle started. It's up again. We kind of see that at yeah. So the bottom of the 758 is the second green candle. I'm just spitting numbers at this point because I don't screen share, but like now we're 26%. Basically, I'd say wherever this candle finishes, that could by and large be the support for the very next candle, and this is looking like 3 white knights, so it's going to be like green candle, green candle, green candle, and then you'll probably get a little bit of profit taking, But as long as the body of the candle on your chart, as long as the next candle is within that body, that's called a mother candle. So that candle, you should basically look at that final third big green candle. Look at the base of it as support for the next run up as well. Assuming we only get one red candle to follow 3 big green candles on a 15-minute chart. I hope that helps. Might be confusing, or you might have to watch that twice. But 3 big candles, the last one, the very base of the candle, is if we only have one red to follow it, that base should be support to go higher again. Okay, if the red falls below that and closes below that, then support broke on the final candle and has to find new support, which at this point should be 18 MA, so it should be 750.